Is the hinges of your laptop broken and you don't know how to replace them? So in this video I will go and show you how to replace the two hinges of your Dell Latitude 9430 or 9420. Hello everyone and welcome to another video from Audio Vision. Alright, before beginning replacing the hinges of your laptop, you should know if they are broken. And how you know that? So how do you know if the hinges of your laptop are broken? So first of all, you can see it from here, which is the laptop is not closing correctly as it should be. The second way is just check the inside. And as you can see that the right side is damaged, so it is not straight, it's kind of pointing to up. And you can see also from the gap here between those two. So you can see that one is it straight. See, that's straight. And that one is upwards. So just let's check them from here. So you can clearly see the line to the broken hinge. So you see here, and you can see here, all the way. So that is the culprit hinge. Okay, so after you have discovered that the hinges of your laptop is broken, what you need? So first of all, you need the iFixit screwdriver set, and also you need to order the parts of your laptop, which is in that case the hinges. once again, thank you for watching this video, and if you liked this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.